In this video, I'm going to show you what ShareASale is and how easily you can sign up to their affiliate marketing program. There are two opportunities in one here, so stay tuned. And I'm also going to give you a huge piece of important information that you absolutely do need in order to complete your application with the ShareASale program. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Hit subscribe and the bell to get notified about to the point tips, tricks and tutorials on this channel. Everything to help you grow your influence and income online. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing network connecting merchants with marketers like you and me. There are endless opportunities with the ShareASale program, but really you should only market the stuff that you have tried yourself, like products, software, services that you have tried and that you like yourself. So share below, what would you like to market? There are two opportunities in one here, stay tuned. First thing you should do is sign up with the ShareASale affiliate program. The link is down below. Go ahead and click it so that you can sign up. I'll show you how to in this video. Once ShareASale has approved your application, you take step 2, which is searching for merchants and products that you want to promote, and then applying for those individual affiliate programs as well. It's a 2-step process. You apply with ShareASale and then you apply to the individual merchants programs as well. Once you do that, you can grab those links and start promoting. That's the first opportunity. The second opportunity is that once you are approved by ShareASale, you can start promoting their affiliate program. So you can earn a commission by helping others become affiliate marketers for ShareASale. Again, link is down below. So go ahead and click it. Now, the important information before you sign up is, drumroll, you need one thing, which is a website. Ooh, devastated by it? Don't worry. You can easily set up your own website by joining the Mentors program, for example. It's a digital marketing program that will guide you from start to finish on how to become an online entrepreneur. And in the program, you can set up your own website, host it, get the coaching and help to populate your website with authority stuff and start building your brand. So you can check that out down below as well. Head over to ShareASale, get yourself a username and a long password. Check out the privacy policy and go on to step number 2. There are 5 important steps here. In step number 2, you have to give your website that you want to associate with your account. And this is a way for ShareASale to know that you're real and that you're serious about what you're doing. So give the website information, also in what language your website is given, and then answer quickly the questions about adult content, sponsors, add-on toolbars, etc. And then head over to step 3. Step 3 is where you add your email address for your standard application, your contact information, name, address, city, etc. And also, look, a program description. Please provide a brief description of your site or your marketing plans. This is your chance to describe the business that you have and your marketing plans with ShareASale. Click no on the incentive program and also verify that you own the domain that you have stated. Completing step number 4 takes you then to the final step, which is payment information. You can choose from 3 different payment options: direct bank deposit, postal service, or Federal Express. Or you can do this later if you want to, or just go ahead and click whichever option is best for you and then complete your sign up. Once you've signed up with ShareASale, you can start searching for merchants. And once you've applied to their individual programs, you can grab their links. I'm just going to show you here how to search for HP. I'm going to buy a computer eventually, and I wanted to know if I could become an affiliate for HP before I do that. So I've pending approval here. If you click the plus sign, you can see the average sale from becoming an affiliate for HP, the average commissions. I already have an HP computer and I like and I want to promote HP. So this is awesome for me. So what you do is you just click the blue buttons to join the programs and then await their approval. And once you've done it, you can find your merchant status under the merchants menu. And from there, you grab your individual referral URL links so you can start promoting these products, services, software, etc. that you are hooked on and that you want to help others get access to as well. Next, watch the videos on how to sign up for the TubeBuddy affiliate program and how you can start your own e-commerce store on Redbubble selling t-shirts and prints without any prior knowledge of e-commerce or dropshipping. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Good luck with your ShareASale affiliate application, and I'll see you in the next video.